So, hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 4th till the 10th of May 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Capricorn, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. I have the Six of Swords. This is somebody who feels like moving on towards calmer water, maybe finding a peaceful resolution to the problem that you guys are facing in the situation. Physically, they are moving on. Energetically, they are feeling like, okay, finding a peaceful solution to this situation, and they're still carrying a lots of past baggages with them. They're not able to let go of the past baggages, and that's why you guys might be suffering in this dynamics. Okay, let's clarify the Six of Swords as their current feelings for you, Cappies. I'm a little distracted today. Ace of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Death card. This is somebody who feels like having a proper mental clarity and understanding of what this situation is and how this is going to unfold. And according to them, even if they are going to give a lifetime to the situation, it's going to end up in nothing. Either it's going to end up in nothing, or it's going to be totally different from what they want it to be. So they feel like it's better for them to keep moving forward in their life, and it's better for their peace, it's better for your peace, and it's better for the situation also. So they're choosing to keep moving ahead in the situation because they got the 1000% clarity that the situation is not going to be something that they want it to be. So it's better for them to keep walking away, keep moving away from the situation as far as they can. And according to them, this is the only thing that can bring peace in your life and theirs too. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? Seven of Pentacles. From your side, you feel like taking a step back and re-evaluating the situation from a distance and trying to understand each and everything about this situation from every possible angle, so that you guys are not going to make the same kind of mistake again, maybe in the next situation or next bond. Okay, let's clarify the Seven of Pentacles as your feelings for this particular person or situation, honey. I have the Three of Pentacles, the Ace of Pentacles, the Five of Swords. Right. So you feel like, having this collaboration and partnership in a very practical manner. Like practical, sorted, grounded, no emotions involved, no drama, no confusion, no chaos, nothing. And that is stressing the hell out of you because somebody might be too sensitive or too emotional, and you're trying to bring all the practicality of the whole universe into this emotional situation, and that is creating a lot of conflict here between you guys. But you feel like waiting and watching and hoping for the situation to somehow work in your favor, like either you getting better or the other person will be able to understand you and your ways of keeping things together. I don't know how it works, but this is how you are giving me, how you guys are giving it to me. Like, this is how it should work, Anjali. Okay, I don't think so, honey. If you say so, you know better than me because it's your life and your situation. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Cappies. We have the Fool card. This person wants to just have a breakthrough, and they just want to break free from the situation. They don't want to live in a situation where they know exactly what is going to happen next. According to them, they already know the future, and they don't want to compromise with their present because of the future that they have predicted for themselves regarding this situation. Let's clarify the Fool as their intentions for the situation, honey. I have the Six of Pentacles, the Hanged Man, and the Lovers, right? So they are in this energy of wanting to have somebody by their side where there is equal give and take of energy, where things are, both of them, both of, this person and their person are, they both are able to see each other's point of view and perspective, and the connection is really beautiful, really meaningful. There's love, there is lust, there is attraction, there's infatuation, and there's everything. So they're looking forward to have that kind of bond, that kind of connection in their life, with whom they can have a beautiful kind of a relationship with. I don't think so this is related to you. They want to break through, they want to break free from the situation, and they want to break through where they are connected with the right kind of person, right kind of energy, that's actually meant for them, that's actually giving them what they want, exactly the way they want it. Let's see, what are your intentions for this particular person or situation from your side? We have the Knight of Wands. From your side, this is like, either you want to keep things very, very casual, on and off, in and out, or you just want to live in the moment. You don't want to think a lot about the future direction of a situation, or you don't want to get very serious about something or someone right now. Let me clarify the Knight of Wands, Cappies. This is giving me mixed signals, mixed energies. So I have the Seven of Swords and the Nine of Swords and the Eight of Swords. You just don't want to let some kind of secret out when it comes to your behavior, your nature, or your energies right now. You just don't want to stress the hell out of yourself or stress the hell out of other person. You just want to get out of this mental jail that you have created for yourself. Okay, so you just want to look cool. You just want to look cool. You just want to pretend that everything is okay, everything is fine, and you're living your life to the fullest. And you just want to hide all of your stressful energies, all of your overthinking behind this energy of everything is cool, everything is okay, we are good, nothing bad is happening here, nothing to think about, nothing to look for. But you can't sleep at night thinking about something. You guys are continuously thinking about something or someone, a situation that's on and off, in and out, a situation that might not be going well, but you can't stop thinking about it. But you just want to pretend that everything is under control, my life is so good, I can't tell you how happy I am. But you definitely want to get out of this stressful energy of being mentally trapped somewhere. Even if you want to come out, you can't. And you just want to pretend, my life is so good. I don't think so. Something is bothering you, bugging you 24 into 7. It's like, can't stop thinking about it. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the, what do you have, 10th of May 2026. Nine of Pentacles. Okay, it's like, you guys, typical Capricorn energy of, okay, I don't have anything else to do in my life. Let me focus on my money, job, career, finances. Let me make money, 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 and more money, and more money. Okay, got it. You and your obsession with money, I got it. Might look like an obsession to others, but I think so, it's important. But okay, again, who cares? You just do your thing, enjoy your life. Who cares? Who gives a fuck? Let's see. Let's clarify the Nine of Pentacles as a potential outcome here. We have the Queen of Wands, Five of Wands, Ace of Wands. It's like, you guys are going to be in this energy of, okay, universe, this shit is not working. So help me to get this much amount of money that I am going to be the king or the queen of the world. And then there is some kind of drama going on in between. And then this energy of your intuition telling you what to do and what not to do to create this independence and freedom that you are craving for from inside. This is a very funny outcome. You guys are like, okay, the shit is hitting the fan. The shit is like, the energies are all over the place. Not hitting the fan like going crazy over something. It might seem like the shit is going to hit the fan for some time, for some moment. And then you guys are going to be like, okay, I'll clean the fan. Yeah. I'm going to clean the fan and I'm going to start the fan again and I'm going to manifest a brand new life, brand new chapter. My intuition is bang on. I know what I want. I know how to achieve that. Universe, help me to just start my journey of self exploration. I don't give a shit about anybody else's existence on this planet Earth. They can die if they want to. If somebody is going to like bring any kind of drama on the table, you guys are going to be completely in this energy of, I don't give a shit about their existence on this planet Earth. They can do whatever the hell they want to do, but I'm going to do whatever I want to do, what I always do. I'm going to focus on myself, money, job, career, finances, independence, freedom, and more money. Yeah, yeah, Capricorn. Give some to me also. Donate it to my channel. Donate my channel 1 crore or 2 cr. Thank you so much. I'm hoping for a Capricorn donation in the near future because they guys are going to have a lot of money. I've never seen a poor Capricorn in my life actually. I have 2 3 friends who are Capricorn. They're filthy rich people, filthy rich, not rich, filthy rich. And it's good for you guys. I like it. You earned it. You deserve it. Your hard work. The Hierophant, the Three of Wands, and the Fool card. Calm down. Horse is Capricorn. Calm down. You should connect with a mentor, guru, healer, spiritual person, somebody who can listen to your shit and they can guide you in a very, very wise way and practical way, maybe. And then go towards a goal step by step instead of jumping all in a situation and then regretting it later on. Like, why the hell I was so much in rush or hurry to do something that I should be doing like step by steps. I should be doing like, okay, one day at a time. So you might jump into something very, very quickly and then you might end up regretting it later on. So instead of doing this kind of stuff, take help from somebody who is having the capacity to have this solid base and grounded energy, who can guide you in a proper way. It can be a YouTube channel, it can be a mentor, it can be a guru, it can be a friend, it can be your family, it can be anybody. Somebody that you look as a person who is wise, who is practical, who is kind of expert in emotional intelligent thing. You might be very intelligent, you might be having intelligence quotient high, but emotional intelligence right now is not working out. Your emotional intelligence switch is off right now. You're trying to make it look like, oh, nothing is happening and it's a shit show from the inside. So try not to make it more shitty. Fine. Who am I saying all of this? They are going to do what they want to do anyways, right? Yeah, honey. Anyway, so let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Capricorn. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. If you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your particular situation. And I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is go, the time is right. Go wherever the hell you want to go. Yes, buddy. Mm-hmm. Where is that? Shit. Yes, when you receive this card, it is encouraging you to take action now. There's no time like the present. Seize the moment. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.